Get some real music right quick, right quick. Okay. What's up, everybody? That New Trace is back with another video. You know how it is, how we doing today. Today's going to be a breakdown of US30. Um, so yeah, we finna right get straight into it, honestly. So first thing first, um, there was a comment. I don't know. I might screenshot it, but there was a comment in one of my videos, and the person was like, let me see if I can find it. Probably not, but it. Yeah, wait. See if I can find it. Oh yeah, this person. M. I can't say the name, but anyways, the person was like, US30 gave me a serious ass whooping Friday before the market closed. MH, and I was just telling the person, I'm about to do like a whole breakdown of US30. So if you see your comment and you're watching, watch this video. So, um, and two, I hope you guys actually like this quality a little better than my quality in the previous videos. I changed the camera settings a little bit. I probably look a little darker, but I think that's it. But if y'all like this, let me know. Keep it. If I should keep it or not, or should I go back to the quality that I had before? But anyways, further ado, we just finna get straight into this. Alright. So this was a US30 trade that I took a couple days ago, and I actually did profit on it. I'm gonna show you guys live proof, cause I know people be like, you know, I don't want to talk shit, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna show you guys real life proof. I actually screenshotted it before I deleted the account off of MT5, cause as of today I'm no longer trading on MT5, and I'll get into my reasonings in another video. But right here, hope y'all can see that. Let me make my screen bigger. I always be doing that because sometimes I know people be showing their profits sometimes, and it's just like, bro, I can't see, and it be getting me tight. So I'm gonna do it for you guys. Boom. Now I can show you guys. If y'all can't see this, then you're just a blind bat. I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, so that's the US30 trade, $256.49. Alright, so goes back up. And yeah, so basically, this is how this trade went. Right? It hit into my 4 hour zone. As you see, I just have it on the 4 hour because it's just a cleaner look. So it hit on my 4 hour zone. Right? It hit the zone. Last down candle before the up move. You can call this also an imbalance. Not an imbalance. You can also call this a order block, but I just call it zones. And then I hopped on the 1 hour. You know, couple wicks. You know what I mean? There's about, so I can show you guys how many wicks there are. Yeah, brush. There's about, within this break, there's about one, two, three, four. This is a big one. Five, six, and even seven wick breaks, right? Wicks into this 4 hour zone before pushing up to the upside, right? So you see that I had a lot of rejections within this time. And definitely one of my confluences of a push. I did enter. I entered within the within this candle right here. So it came up, came down, came back up. I see it wasn't gonna break this low, cause I mean this low, cause it was the primary low. It did break it, but it like it still didn't stop me out by you know by it still didn't stop me out by what you call it. Oh my god, by spreads, right? So I was still in good standings. I entered on the 15-minute time frame as that's my entry point for the strategy. Came down and seeing that it gave me a couple, you know, pinpoints. Stoop came down, came back. See, actually, it was based off of here. So I seen that. All right, cool. It made it slow. It didn't break the slow, but it made the slow, and I'm like, bet. Let me go ahead and enter. So it came back up. My entry is right here. Then it kind of came down. It broke it, but just by a wick, and then it started rallying up a little bit. Consolidation, down, up, down. This is when the major wick happened. Happened on a Friday, 8:30. I'm not sure what happened there, and then shot up, and it kept pushing. Cool. So yeah, there was a point where this was the point. There was a point where it got really close to my stop. I mean, really close to my TP. Then it dropped down, and I was like, wait, what? No, actually no. It came close to my stops, and it came close to my TP. Then it came back down. It came back up. So this is the point. This is the point. This is the part I'm talking about. Talking about here, where it came all the way down to here. I mean, about 60 pips away from my stop. Came up. Came up. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Came up. You can't see the wick, but the wick is right here. Came there, dropped back down to my entry, then it came up and consolidated for the weekend because I did hold it for the weekend, and then it came up and took me out. MT5 actually took me out at this line right here, at this green line. If y'all don't see, came out on this green line because when I went to check MT5, I was already out the trade and it gave to me in profit and everything. I was like, alright, cool. But on TradingView, obviously, it just didn't hit. But yeah, it was a pretty interesting trade. I held it from pretty much Thursday. It was only like a day trade, so Thursday morning all the way to like the weekend into Sunday afternoon. Yeah, so like 3 days, not bad. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to work on a swing strategy. I don't call this swing because I guess technicalities, it probably is a swing trade just because you're holding a trade for more than a day or two. But I guess because I'm so busy with just being out all the time, going to school and all this other stuff, it doesn't seem like a swing trade. I feel like a swing trade is like me holding it for like 2 weeks. You know what I mean? That's just my opinion, but I know technicalities, a swing is like holding it for some days, a few days, stuff like that. Entry day is like a few hours, and scalping's like a few minutes. So yeah, I'm trying to work on intraday swing, and I'm also trying to work on a intraday scalp, which I technically already have two strategies that I'm gonna stick with. My breakout strategy that you guys probably have seen. I just haven't really titled anything, and the strategy here where I'm just trading off of zones, and I'm only trading buys within zones. Um, my reasoning, it just works a lot better, and the market's always, you know, okay. So there's a short that I made today, and well yesterday, and I was explaining how well I didn't really explain, but I'm gonna explain it here in this video where I feel like indices are easy to trade because they're always going up. Like there are periods where they're going down, so let's just hop on a daily real quick. Let's just see what's going on. Let me just show you guys real life type things, like my real life examples, right? Indices are always going up. No one's telling me anything. They're always going up. Like, do you see this? This may be. Oh, it stopped here. What is this? This is the very beginning. Aw, this is so cute. Okay, but as you can see, this is 2009. Oh, it's an uptrend. No one's telling me anything. This is always an uptrend, right? Like it's always an uptrend. Yes, there are periods where there's a down move, right? There's a down move here. There's a down move here. Like there's gonna be little down moves, and this a couple years, like 2 years, I believe, from pandemic years, came down, made this little down move. Now it's back in this up move again. Like I just feel as though it's just easy, and I can go the same thing with another pair. Let's just go to let's go to XPX. If I had to scroll the way I scrolled on US30, oh my bad. If I had to scroll the same way I scrolled on same thing, look at this, the same thing, and I'm not bugging. Like, look at this uptrend. Yes, there's down moves, a little down move for a couple months, even years. You know what I mean? But overall, like see little down move in 2020, like same thing from the pandemic. Now it's trying to rally back up. Like it's the same thing over and over with indices, you know. So now if I had to go to like gold, I feel like even gold, like I feel like even gold, like I feel like all pairs move up. You know what I mean? And it's just like, look at this. Like there's it goes up. You know, there's down moves, yes, but overall, like it's moving up. Like that's just me looking long term. Like that's just how I feel. Like, you know what I mean? And you know, I've been doing this shit for like almost 4 years now, and just looking at the way markets form and look, yes, like there's over an uptrend, but obviously there's gonna be retracements. It goes a little bit more choppy. Retracements, up, retracements, up. Like it, it's just the same thing over and over. And I started reading this book, um, The Day Trading Secrets by I forgot his name, but he made a good point in his book where you know about stocks. He talks about stocks. He trades stocks, and he made a point in his book where like trade the simple pairs because they're just easy. Let's just go to a stock pair, like just to be a fool, cause I might actually look into it. Might even look into it, cause I technically trade stocks, but it's long term. I hold, I buy and I hold. I don't sell until yeah, like I haven't sold anything. I've been doing stocks since I was like 18. I'm 21 now. I just invest. Okay, I invest. That's investing. I don't really trade all that. But let's say we go to Apple, right? I got an Apple stock. There's a lot of shit happening here. I don't know what any of this means. Anyways, Apple up. Like it's the same thing, bro. I might actually start trading stocks. Look at this. This is so easy. Look at that. Up. It's just going up. And this is me on the daily. It looks choppy because it's on the daily, but if I had to go on the weekly or the monthly, like up again. The same point. Up. It just keeps going up. Like y'all don't understand, bro. Up. Yes, there are retracements. Tracement, retracement, retracement. Down move within that um 2021 time of pandemic. Retracement up, retracement up. Like it's the same thing over and over, and it's like like between reading that book and literally just looking at the markets, putting two and two together, it's just like damn, like it's everything's the same. Price action is the same. Everything's the same. You know what I mean? And I know this is supposed to be a US30 breakdown, which I've done, but I just want to point that out. Like, shit's easy. You know what I mean? So the strategy that I use with the zones and everything like that, it works. And it's just me waiting at the end of the day for a zone to hit. So let me just go back on the 4 hour or something and kind of bring this back. It's me just waiting for, hey, the next zone to hit, see what it does. If it breaks, I look for the next zone somewhere else. I look for the next zone somewhere else. If it holds, it holds. If it breaks down, I'm waiting for the next zone to get hit. If it doesn't break, then okay, I enter. Then I'm waiting for it to come back up to either a previous high or, in the case of US30, the high that it hasn't made yet, or just breaking the newest high. You know what I mean? That's just what I do with these zones. And I trust the daily zone, I trust the 4 hour zone, and I trust the 1 hour zone. The 1 hour zone isn't as strong as the 4 and the daily, obviously, but that's the lowest I'll go with zones, in my opinion. Like I know people have 15-minute zones or order blocks, whatever you want to call it, but for me, that what works is 1 hour zones, 4 hour zones, and daily zones. That's it. I don't go all the way to the weekly. I don't do the monthly. That's too much for me. That's OD. Okay. So and I risk manage as it is. So basically, like with this, the way I did my TP and the way I did my TP and my stop was okay, cool. It hit my zone. Gave me rejections on the 15 on the 1 hour. Cool, I'm gonna get in. And so the way I managed my stops and TP was cool. My stops are gonna be below, a little bit below the box, right? It's gonna be below the box, not gonna be exactly underneath, but it's gonna be right a little bit below it. This is my entry, and my TP is me breaking this high right here, and that's exactly what it did. That's just works for me. Like I've worked on it for a while, and it's just like okay, that's what works for me. And I decided to expand myself recently on other pairs because gold is not gonna always give me what I want. You know what I mean? So I decided, okay, let me just go ahead and expand on other pairs other than gold, and do indices because if I'm trading, zones on zones, then okay, cool, it's gonna be easier for me to, work on that strategy as well as if I do my breakout strategy, I also have pairs that also work for that too, which my indices work for that as well. My indices, in my opinion, are stronger in the zone strategy than my breakout strategies, and gold is the opposite from the indices. So yeah, but that's just what works, and I might even might just a tad might go into stocks. I'm not sure, but that book is really motivating. Let me see if I can just find you guys the whole name of it. Okay, it's a free book on Apple. He also has like the paid. He also has like another book that goes in depth with his strategies and everything like that. And I might actually get it for Christmas. So it's called Day Trading Secrets by Harvey Washoe. So I can show you guys. Hold on. Mm, I wanna. I'll probably put it in the. Hope y'all can hear me. What just happened? Hello, hello. What was that? Okay, I hope y'all can hear me. That was weird. But I'll probably put it in the description down below for sure. I'm trying to see if I can find the it's being weird. Don't be weird. In store, I guess. Okay, cool. This is the name of the book. Oh, let me just fix my screen real quick. But it's definitely called Day Trading Secrets. I'll show you guys the cover and everything, and then I'll probably link it. If I don't get a chance to link it in my description, then y'all see it. But it's called Day Trading Secrets. I just started reading it. I'm actually almost done. It's a short book for sure, but definitely has some good gems. Definitely has some good advice and everything like that, and I really love it. So yeah, let me fix my screen again. Well, we're done with charts, but whatever. But yeah, y'all. This might be the end of this video. It's kind of long, but I definitely did want to get my points out there. Definitely want to get my thoughts out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. Literally 1, 2, 3. It really didn't take that long in terms of breaking down this. Literally I went on the 4 hour. I found a 4 hour zone. Dropped down to the 1 hour, seeing the rejections. Went on the 15, seeing on the rejections even more front entry. I entered and set my stop loss to a couple pips above, a couple pips away from the box, and TP to the current high, and it literally demolished it. So, and it took maybe 2 days. No, yeah, you can say 2 days because it don't move on Saturday and market close Friday. So yeah, that's it. That's it. So simple. Like that's just what it is. So I'm gonna end this video right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. If you guys want more of these, let me know down in the comments. And we gonna play some music to end this off as we usually do. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps were the facts, and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on them. I really gotta put a couple. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Peace. Stop playing. Peace.